Hello, it's blu-ray here once again with another unboxing or unpackaging. Though I am going to try and make this as interesting as possible, because I almost had a heart attack when I got the email yesterday saying that this was being shipped, because this shouldn't have actually been shipped for another month, because the actual release date for this was April the 6th. No, not April, June the 6th. Get it right, moron. Yeah, it's supposed to have been June the 6th. But it came out early. And I've had to be very careful with this, because what I have is someone who is actually in. Yes, but what we have, Sound of the Sky on Blu-ray. And this is going to be sort of a test of will it boot, because it says A there. Although if I remember, their Gundam releases are not region locked. So I am going to quickly switch over to the Blu-ray player, and right, you're gonna have to look at a mouse while I get the right item out to. Hang on. No, won't need that. Pack's already open. Very sloppy. Right, there we go. Oh, blimey. Why on earth they use wrapping like this is anyone's guess. Because we got some stuck on the spine, some probably stuck up the top. But anywho, got that off. Quickly turn that around. Right. So, first, let's have a look at the disc, and I think what I will do is bring out the DVD version for comparison, because I think what they've done is they've actually used the disc 1 and 2 DVD art for the Blu-rays, but let's not muck around. Yep, we have the tray. I'm going to quickly do it from here. Will it boot? That is the question. And actually, will it actually? And but due to licensing restrictions, this disc can only be played in players in the US and Canada. Okay. Okay. Yep. So that's locked. Oh, and I quickly take both these discs out. We actually have some back cover art, but regardless, I've now got to turn the Blu-ray player off, turn that off, put the discs back in, and I'm going to start playing a little game called How Quickly I Can Make a Connected Change. Right, that's network. I think that's the H. Right. So, hang on. Let's try. And the only reason why I have to put the TV on standby is because this thing gets a little bit edgy when I'm running. Right, I need this. Hang on. Oh. ATP 50, yep. Now it's time to play the other magnificent game. Will it boot? That is the question. Nope. Go back in, you little git. Okay. And there we go. We now have lock. And this should still be set to zone A. So it should just yep. Okay. No, this is going to be a right pain in the anus. No, Eva. Oh shit! Mute! It's alright, Eva. I freaking forgot to actually. Yep. So we have now booted in. Yeah, and I'm cutting the audio partially to deal with Content ID. Though this is an older series, so Content ID shouldn't be a problem with this. Unless I get nailed by YAM11 2003 once again. So we have play all, episodes, trailers, extras. Yeah, alternate versions of episode 1. The alternate version of episode 1 and the previews. And we have 7 episodes on this disc. So we should have some better quality. Right. Why did that one Oh, and we're back here again. Okay. Said that this was going to be interesting. No, I'm going to have fun swapping that cable over tonight. Yeah, but I mean, this is very good quality. And considering that this is a Zone A only disc, there isn't any joint agreements with other distributors for this version. So, let's just do a quick... Wow. I don't think I've ever actually played... Well, I've actually played the DVD version on this setup only once. And I actually found it atrocious because it was being played through the TV speakers. Yes, and I am keeping the sound off because Content ID. So, yeah, and this is very good quality, considering the fact that they've only stuck 7 episodes on this disc, or 8 if you actually count the alternate version of episode 1. They have actually put a bit of effort into video quality. So it's now going to be the fun part of swapping all the cables around and that. So this is Bright Here Otaku signing off. Until next time, I'll catch you laters.